bring Jane in and we have her bring the outfit to life. My job is to
Oh,
ideas and get them down on
his
paper.
first hiccups.
This season we're doing 6 different sections for the show. The road ahead is an entire part.
Congratulations first hiccups, my love.
Dialogue that we wanted to have about the techniques, about the colours, about the fabric, all forming something that's very unique to our universe. Secret Angel was the whole idea of creating this dangerous liaison, Casablanca-y, black and white film references in there. She's a seductress that holds no prisoners. So she's quite a strong entity in that section. Mountain romance, there's a playful naivety of the girl. She's a bit of a Heidi on the hills. Of all of the sections, I feel like she's probably the most feminine. She's a bit of a free-spirited, outdoorsy girl. Pink Nation, when we had our first Pink meeting and there was such a lot of dialogue about the street style, we wanted to bring that sort of element of authenticity by bringing Nico Panda into the equation. We want to be playful and to have these sport references, but not so literally swimwear.
Ay, chiquito, te amo.
A little bit more gothic in its idea. She's very literally a super sexy, dark seductress in a way. Bright Night Angel for us was the idea of the girl who's happy to have the best time she can, you know.